Hello everyone, my name is Andy. The European markets are closing, so let's have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. What did we get today? What will we have tomorrow, Tuesday, October 17th? For the record, today is Monday, October 16th. Time is around 6 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and as I explained in my higher time frame analysis, we are looking at this low right here. We have two scenarios based on this low. So the first scenario, or one scenario, would be that this is only a temporary low in the sense that we had a corrective move here as a WXY structure, but this WXY structure is only the first corrective leg of a bigger WXY structure, and then we would get X into this area here, and then Y down as a wave. That would then be the end of the wave 2. Or we have a shallow wave 2 correction, and then it would mean that the corrective move is over right here, indicated in red, WXY, wave 2 over, and then we should start an impulse from here. And so actually to decide which scenario we prefer, I told you we are looking here at this price action. So if this is a low, we should get an impulse up, because if a wave 3 starts from here, we should start with an impulse. However, if we see more corrective price action right here, then it means that the corrective move down is not over yet. And so there are two possibilities from here. One possibility is that this high here was a first impulse, as indicated in red, and that we now did a wave 2 down, indicated also in red. So wave 1 and wave 2 down. I do not really favor this scenario because this is not really the pattern I like to see for an impulsive wave. Like, we do not end here with divergence. So normally an impulse has 5 waves and end with divergence. If we look here at the 1 hour chart, like in the 4 hour, there is no divergence. In the 1 hour, there is also not really. There is, of course, some divergence, but that's not really the divergence is not really outspoken. We also did not break like the RSI trend line as a wave 4, so there are several elements that make me believe that what we had right here was actually only 3 waves. So 1, 2, 3, like this. And if we have 3 waves, it means that it is corrective, not impulsive. Impulsive should be 5 waves. Corrective is 3 waves. And so from here, if we have 3 waves up, and here another 3 waves down, it means that we can see more upside. That is also my best estimate, that we will see more upside, but more upside in a corrective wave, so not impulsive, not the start of a higher degree impulse. So I believe we will see more upside, but eventually we will come down again and also take out this low. That would be my primary expectation. As you can see here in green, that would mean that we had here A, B, C, wave W. Then here we came down as an A, B, C. So I told you in my weekend analysis that I was expecting upside from this area. Okay, at the market open, we made one more marginal new low, but then we started to move up. The rest of the day, this was in line with expectation, and so now what we should see, in my opinion, is further upside as a wave Y, and we can already define a target area. If we take the length of our wave W, the length of our wave X, then the target for our wave Y is situated right here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. And this also coincides here with the wave X area. So if I'm right about more corrective price action, then the natural path to go would be to go into this area here. If this is the wave W, then if we take the length of this wave W, then the wave X should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854. Now, what might have happened, or what could also happen, is that we only have a shallow wave X, that our wave X is situated right here. But this is something I cannot really foresee. Like, I work with my target areas, my system works very well, but in reality, from time to time, it happens that we do not reach the target areas. However, most of the time we do. Look here, we reach the area, reaction down, we reach the area, reaction up. Also here, we reach the areas, reaction up. So this is what I would expect. That would be my primary expectation. But the surprise would be that our wave X was in right here after 3 moves. Now, and then I still have the impulse scenario on my charts, although I do not really believe in it. And then it would look like we had a wave 1 up here, and we count the 5 waves like this: wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then from here, from this wave 5, we did the wave 2 down, A, B, C here as a wave 2, and then from here we should see a wave 3 to the upside. So in either scenario, I would expect more upside, unless we get the surprise, and the surprise would be that the wave X is finished right here. So let's see what we get tomorrow, but this would be based on the data we have, my best estimate on the market right now. So if you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.